approached the court by filing that petition, saying that but for this, I would have passed and I failed only because of the application of the amended rules.
Yes, my lord.
That was this case.
That's what I'm saying. Under the 2015 rules, if actually, my lords, there is no provision actually for taking the, my lords, qualifying marks in the preliminary examination. Where is the question of he succeeding? Under the 2015 rules, there is no such provision.
Nobody challenged it.
No. Sir, I'm
Your lordship rightly asked
actually.
How did you come in the prelims? How did you pass the prelims?
Yes.
Whether it was because of that list, amended list, or otherwise.
No.
But the answer is very obvious in page 301. Learning judges carried out the category. 1918 candidates who have come in because of this.
And that
he falls in that 1918 candidate.
Now, my lords, once we were successful, the main examinations have taken place, we were also successful. At that point of time, my lords, Kishore Chowdhury's judgment comes in, April 2022. Based on the Kishore Chowdhury's judgment, my lords, now actually, my lords, the entire examination is cancelled.
No exam is cancelled.
No, exam doesn't results.
No.
Results. I am saying results are cancelled. That's how the whole controversy has arisen. Now the whole controversy has arisen post Kishore Chowdhury.
His whole case is once he passed in the main. It is true he passed the main. He had a right to be called for interview, true. But if we have revised the prelim results, you don't become entitled to the main at all.
Now the revised prelim, my lord, right is the basis. Because Kishore
was meant that 10,097 candidates who appeared for the examination, and then consequently on the publication of the result, 1918 candidates were declared. He is one among that 1918.
He is one amongst that one.
Now, not one, my lords, all the 12 petitioners.
But it is no, he would have been otherwise called for interview.
All women candidates.
We have mentioned that.
All women petitioners before my lords, they were all successful in the main.
Yes.
Now, pursuant to that, my lords, there is one more judgment, which is actually, my lords, that
now whether they were called for the interview?
No, just not. Now they have cancelled the whole entire thing. Because of applying the process of normalization.
That is normalization.
You know why?
Yes, understand one thing. Once this normalization, we have considered this question.
Yes.
In this situation, definitely one method has to be followed.
Yes.
They found that, and the experts' advice also was that it is better to apply this normalization method.
Yes.
They applied it.
Yes.
Necessarily, once such a method is applied, it has to be brought out to the prejudice of some persons. Because if everyone has to be called for, what is the purpose of applying this? So once it is applied, that application you can say that there were malifieds or that.
No,
Now we are only on one thing.
Yes.
The inevitable consequence of application of that normalization method,
Yes.
whatever it be, the persons have to suffer.
Yes, my lords, whether my lords calling that, why, my lords, how we have been excluded? How we have been excluded?
That is it.
Because 2,700, well, it's 2,700 candidates, by applying the cutoff marks, my lords, in the preliminary examination, they have come in. Because of which only the exclusion is taking place.
Still do not have clarity on the drawing up of the preliminary examination.
I am coming to
whereby you came in.
But
Was it on the strength of the amended rule? Was it not?
No, it was prior to the amended rules.
How do you say that?
Yes, because the results have already, my
That
lords.
is obviously not agreed to by the other side.
My lords,
Not
But
convinced
if
very
that was so,
My lords,
all this blood Mahabharata would not have come.
No, my lords, it's not.
Because we
Yes, yes, my lord.
was against the amendment.
Amendment.
But
It against the amendment.
context of the exam also?
Yes.